Gulf Star Marina. Here we are at world famous Gulf Star Marina, home of the fully automated boat storage system. Today we're busy on several different levels. We're finishing concrete. This will be a casting bay. We'll do 6 more paddles next week. Right now we've got our formwork and reinforcing underway. Leon with Lion Steel taking care of us on the reinforcing. Next panel being formed right here, where he'll do toward the end of the day. This is part of a 3-part gang that will fill in the far end of our building for our center crane path. Right now, we're finishing up flying some precast. We're preparing to prep the deck to get a diaphragm pour in. That way we can start removing some braces. A little bit clumsy around here. We got a lot of people working, a lot of mess. Right now we got our guys setting steel angles, prepping masonry for the 3rd floor deck. So as we continue with our prep, we've got trucks coming in continuously with precast for the elevated floors. The 300-ton crane, we've been putting it to use for pretty much everything from minor lifts to our 250,000-pound panels. The site restrictions on this job have been pretty severe. So as we get going, we'll be back to precast after lunch. The guys are taking a break now. And that's it for this trip.